Terra Cotta pot. Will it DTF? I see painted pots all the time, and I was wondering, could you decorate these with digital artwork from a DTF printer? I picked up some free artwork from Adobe stock. Now, I'm not going to use a standard heat press for obvious reasons. I'm going to use the mini Cricut heat press. This is really a super versatile tool for DTFing on weird objects, like this terracotta pot. I'm going to take one of my little cactuses here, and I've got some heat press tape ready to go. Put the graphic on the pot, put the tape on it to hold it in place. There we go. I have my mini Cricut set at 3, which is the highest setting, which I think is about 315 degrees roughly. Let's see what happens when we press it. Now, have you ever wondered if something would DTF? Do us a favor and let us know in the comments below, and we'll try it out for you. Quickly, one of the things that I'm looking for, and I look for anytime I DTF on a hard surface, is looking for kind of almost seeing kind of like moisture, but where the adhesive powder is kind of like absorbing into that harder surface. That kind of lets me know it's kind of taking to the surface. All right, that looks good. We'll give it a moment to cool off like we usually do when we try weird stuff. Oh yeah, it looks like it's sticking. Oh, I just noticed that little spot right up there. Those little cactus needles weren't quite holding on. And I didn't do one of the very basic practices of peeling. You always want to peel from an area where there's more ink. I shouldn't have started peeling from where those needles were. So we're gonna peel from the bottom here. Nice. Now that looks fabulous. And definitely, I think depending on the style of artwork that you choose, you could decorate the whole thing around. You could maybe decorate the little band at the top here. I definitely would shy away from doing like an all-over print, because anytime you have like a cylinder that's got an angle to it, it's really hard to do the math on that. Not that it's impossible, I wouldn't do it. I would do more things like a bunch of little different graphics around it, so. Terracotta pot, will it DTF? Absolutely, this looks great. It's an awesome way to take some digital artwork and spice up your pots that maybe your succulents or some flowers, or maybe you're a plant mom. I hear that on the internet all the time. But definitely a great way to decorate those. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, that actually turned out really nice.